We will learn how to hard reset a Lenovo Chromebook. If you forgot the password or if the Chromebook is not working, like this Chromebook has an issue, it display go blank, okay, it's not showing anything. But if we hard reset or power wash, it should work. So let's start. But at the beginning, so we need to, it's better to give the power connection. Now what you will do, press this one ESC, this button and power button. These three buttons press simultaneously, and after 1 or 2 seconds, release all of them. Now it says please insert a USB stick or SD card, but you do not need to do that. What you will do, press Ctrl Alt and D, Ctrl Alt and D. So these three buttons. Now to turn operating system verification off, press enter. Press enter. Now it will come back. We need to wait. And this method works for any model of Lenovo Chromebook. Now we need to press space to re-enable. Yep. Now we need to press enter. Now your system will reboot and local data will be clear. So all of the data from the Chromebook will be deleted and it will be like a new Chromebook. So before doing that, if you have any important file, please transfer that to any other place. Okay. And this method works for any model of Lenovo Chromebook. Even it works for other laptop like Chromebook like Dell or HP. So now it's become like a new one. So get started. Now we need to add, we need to enter the Wi-Fi password. Now it's working. It's working. Now next, and here you will enter your email address, or we can browse as a guest. So accept condition. Now if we it's working. So it's working. This is my YouTube channel. It's working. Thanks for watching.